Hello everyone! Welcome again to another episode of Mhelbeth'S Table. Today we will make this very delicious snacks. This is so popular in the Philippines. This is what we call the special Butchi, or what they call the sesame ball. This is really good, guys. You have to try this. Alright? Here are the ingredients. Ayan guys, pakukuluan natin ang sweet potato. We will boil first the sweet potato. As it, you can use the fork, guys. Okay guys, so after we mash the sweet potato, we will mix our flour. I have here 2 cups of glutinous rice flour and also 2 cups of plain flour. Alright, and also I have here icing sugar. Then I will mix in the baking powder. Okay, so I'll mix it up all together with the sweet potato. Okay, I'll add in the sweet potato. Oopsie. And some of the sweet potato water. I think I need to add more. And I'll be using my hand to mix up all together. Alright guys, this is good enough. Now let me wash my hand. Alright, so you have to make a bowl, okay? Maybe a tablespoon. Alright, so just make sure to flatten it like this with your hand. Make sure to wash your hands. Okay, and then I have this homemade ube halaya. Alright. And then make a bowl. And dip it into the sweet potato water. And coat it with sesame seed like this. Alright guys. Shout out to Romel Chavez. Thank you so much for this so delicious ube halaya. Then put a bowl of ube halaya inside and seal it and make a bowl. It's so easy guys. Like this, and dip it into the water. And then coat it with sesame seed. Okay. And set aside. Alright, make sure to heat up your oil. There you go. I think this is good enough. So, I made some. I will continue later. Okay, so now we are ready to deep fried it. Okay, so I will just drop in. There you go. Alright, so this is already done, guys. So I will set this aside with the paper towel. And we will cook the rest of the sesame ball. Alright guys, here it is, our special butchi. It's so easy to make at napakasarap na merienda natin. Alright guys, to all my subscribers, thank you so much. And if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be updated every time I'll post a video in my channel. Thank you so much and have a good day to all of you.